ไปนะอ้าว
Schön willkommen nach Zöllern.
The mysterious Appenzeller land lies between Sentis, the Alpstein and Lake Constance. Nestled in the idyllic hilly landscape with its lush meadows and forests lies the natural alpine world that gave its name to the unique Appenzeller cheese. Join us on the journey through this incomparable area and discover the secrets of this most special of regions. The animals here lead a healthy life in the open countryside. Fresh air, healthy feed and lots of devotion from the farmers make the best conditions for the perfect raw milk that goes into Appenzeller cheese. The secret of the milk, the cows only get fresh grass and hay, never silage. The local farmers deliver milk twice a day to the dairy. The fresh milk is immediately processed by the cheesemaker. The resulting mass is now reduced into smaller pieces with a cheese heart. After around an hour, the cheese gets a so-called cheese passport, so that the consumer can later trace the cheese back to its point of origin using the date. The cheese is stored for 3 to 4 weeks in the humid cheese cellar and is regularly rubbed with a brine. Afterwards, it is stored and nurtured further in a maturing facility. What makes Appenzeller cheese so uniquely spicy is the careful treatment using the secret herbal brine. The secret ingredient forms an elaborate process using a mix of herbs, spices, leaves, blossoms, seeds and rind. Only 2 specialists are privy to the information. They hand the secret recipe down from generation to generation. During the maturing time, every wheel of Appenzeller cheese is regularly infused with the secret herbal brine. The cheese not only gets its unmistakable spicy aroma from this, but also the characteristic colour of its rind. After around 2.5 months of aging, cheese experts carry out some strict tests. Only Appenzeller cheese with the best results is suitable for sale. Spicy Appenzeller cheese is available in different varieties to suit all taste buds.
ชีสหลายๆประเภทเนาะหลังจากผลิตเสร็จแล้ว
And Appenzeller fondue, Switzerland's spiciest fondue.
ฟอนดูนี่อาหารท้องถิ่นใช่ไหมอาหารพื้นเมืองขนมปังจิ้มชีสร้อนๆฟองดู
Acquire a taste for the secret and enjoy Switzerland's spiciest cheese.
Entschuldigung! Ihr seid doch die mit dem Geheimrezept.